Hello everyone and good afternoon class. Today we are gonna talk about passive voice of English grammar. Now, first of all, when we use passive voice when we don't know the subject. For example, the door is closed. Who closed the door? We don't know. Or the subject is not important, or the object is more important. And also, let's talk about class rules. Be quiet and no eating or drinking in class, like this. No drinking, okay? And no phones. Don't use your phone. And let's speak English, not Vietnamese, okay? Because it's so easy. Let's start with something easy. We already know it. So there are verbs, right? Like, tell me some verbs you know. Yes, go, okay. Eat, okay. And what else? What's this? Yes, drink, very good. And now we will play a game. We will find another verb with the last letter. For example, go ends with what? Oh, yes, very good. So we can find open, okay, and open ends with what? And, very good. So let's find another verb with and. Yes. Need, yes, very good. So need ends with what? D, very good. And let's find the verb with D. Who can find it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. And also, let's make a sentence with these verbs. For example, we said go, so let's make a sentence with go. Who can make it? Yes. Okay, what's that? I go to school. Yes, very good, good job. And let's make another sentence with open. She opens her book. Okay, very good, good job. All right, let's continue. Alright, here we're gonna play a game with passive voice. On the board, I drew a, what's this? Circle, yes, very good. And on the circle, there are different activities, alright? On the left here, this is subject and verb. What's that? Active voice, yes, very good. For example, I go, I open. But passive voice is a little bit different. First, object, like book, door, window, and is are for present simple, and verb third form, like, right, past participle. For example, what's the verb 3 of open? Opened, very good. Close, closed, very good. Go, gone, good job. All right. And alright, I'm writing your teams here. Tell me an animal, please. Tiger. Okay, I'm writing here tiger. And tell me another animal, team 2. Dragon. Okay, very good. Alright, I'm writing here. And who can make more sentences, I'm gonna give more points to your team. Alright, good job. And okay, here, what's this? Ball. Alright, sticky ball. Alright, team 1, take this and throw it to the board. Alright, which one? Okay, there's a cake. So let's make a passive voice sentence with cake. So let's do it together. The first one, cake. Everyone, cake. Good. Cake is make. No, make or made? Made, right? Let's everyone repeat after me. Cake is made. Alright, good job. Alright, let's do another. Now you have 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many sentences can you make in passive voice? Okay, alright. Team 1, team tiger, throw it. Okay. Yes. Okay, tell me. Basketball is played. Okay, good job. Throw back again. Alright. And now what's that? The door is closed. Okay, good. One more time. What's that? There, I see a phone picture. Phone is used. Used. Yes, very good. Everyone, used Okay, good job. Let's continue. So the winner is team sheep. All right, good job. Because team sheep made more sentences. How many sentences did you make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sentences. Very good. Good job. All right, now we will make passive voice sentences with our name. For example, what's my name? Barış. Really good. Okay, let's spell my name. B, yes. A, good. R, yes. I, yes. S. Okay, very good. Now let's make passive voice sentences. For example, B, what starts with B? Okay, book. Book is opened. Everyone, repeat after me. Book is opened. Okay, good. And what's this? Arm. Very good. Everyone, arm is broken. It's broken. Okay. Now, this is for example. Now, open your notebooks and write down your name from top to bottom. Okay. For example, Tao, T-H-A-O. Right? Okay. Now, you have 2 minutes. All right. Okay, let's finish this one. Now, in your group, we will make passive voice sentences. Now, student 1 says one word, student 2 one word, student 3 one word. For example, student 1 chicken, student 2 is, student 3 eaten. All right, and you will speak without writing. Okay, now team 2, and you have 1 minute. Okay, let's start with team 2. This one, team 2. Okay, 3 students come here. All right, now let's make sentences together. Okay, yes, you can start. House, okay. Is, okay. Built, okay, good. Yes, continue. You have 1 minute. Okay, let's count who has more points, more sentences. Team Dragon answer 3 sentences. Okay, Team Dragon is the winner for this activity. Very good job. Let's continue. Okay, now let's talk about the grammar. So we already learned, but let's look at the rules. What are the rules? So repeat after me. I close the door. I close the door. Okay. This becomes passive as, what's that? The door is closed. Yes, very good. The door is closed. Now, what are the differences? There are 3 differences, right? What's the first one? Closed, closed. What form is this? Who can answer? Verb form. Very good. So verb form is different, right? Close, closed. And second one, what's this? And all changed places. What are they? Who can answer? Very good. Subject and object, right? Subject and object change places. And something is added to the sentence. What's that? What do you see on second sentence? Is. Very good, right? Is or are or am. So to be, right? To be is added to the sentence. Now, can you answer this one? At the first sentence, who closed the door? I, right? At the second sentence, do we know who closed the door? No, we don't know. The door is closed, yes? But who closed the door? We don't know. Okay, very good. Now let's watch some videos about passive voice. Tell me a passive voice sentence. It's closed. Okay, let's look at this. Closed is closed. Everyone say it's closed. It's closed. Okay, good. And
be thankful.
Let's watch it.
That your meaningless lives are now contributing
I'm
to
sorry,
the balance.
Earth is closed today.
So what's he saying? Earth is closed. Very good. So who closed the earth? We don't know. What's closed? Earth. Very good. Good job. Okay, let's review. What's passive voice? Who can answer? The sentence which is not active. Yes, that's correct. But let's explain a bit more. Yeah. We don't know the subject. Very good. or the subject is not important. And why is passive voice used? Yeah, when we don't know the subject, or the subject is not important. Let's make some examples, everyone. Yep, the computer is turned on, okay, or the TV is turned off. Very good. Or the chair is broken. Okay, good job. Let's continue. Okay, this is it. Thank you. And today we learned and practiced passive voice in simple present tense. Do you have any questions? No? Yes? No? Okay. Alright, have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye. And if you have any questions, write on comments. Okay? Bye bye.